That check engine light again? Before you panic, it might be something as simple as your fuel cap. Code P0455 means there's a large leak in your evap system, the system that traps fuel vapors from escaping your tank. Most of the time, it's just a loose or cracked fuel cap, but it could also be a damaged hose, faulty purge valve, or evap canister. Don't waste fuel or fail your emissions test, check your cap, and if the light stays on, scan it early. Drop your questions in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for quick and clear fixes from D+ Autos.